Hello students, welcome to you all in this section. Today we are going to discuss about the recipient of Bharat Ratna. Who are the winners of Bharat Ratna and what is Bharat Ratna? So let's begin. Bharat Ratna awarded in recognition of exceptional work or services of the highest order in any field of human endeavors as an art, social, work, public affairs, science and engineering, sports and trade and industries, etc. Were to mention that no formal recommendation for Bharat Ratna are necessary. The recommendation for Bharat Ratna are made by the Prime Minister to the President of India. Bharat Ratna can be given to any person irrespective of race, occupation, position or sex. Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of the country, and was instituted in the year of 1954. Now the question arises, how many Bharat Ratna can be given in a year? There is a maximum of 3 persons that can be awarded. India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 2019, this award was given to 3 eminent persons, namely Pranab Mukherjee, Nanaji Deshmukh and Bhupen Hazarika. Now let's look upon the list of the winners of Bharat Ratna. The Bharat Ratna was firstly given in 1954 to C. Raja Gopalachari. He was the first recipient of Bharat Ratna, an Indian independence activist, statesman and a lawyer. Raja Gopalachari was only Indian and the last Governor General of independent India. He was the Chief Minister of Madras Presidency and Madras State and founder of the Indian political party Swatantra Party. In the same year, the second person, the first recipient of Bharat Ratna awardee is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He served as an Indian first Vice President from 1952 to 1962 and the second President in 1962 to 67. Since 1962, his birthday on 5th September is observed as a Teacher Day in India. So he was also the first recipient of Bharat Ratna. C.V. Raman. He was also the first recipient of Bharat Ratna. He was widely known for his work on the scattering of light and the discovery of the effect, better known as the Raman effect and Raman scattering. Raman mainly worked in the field of atomic physics and electromagnetism and was presented Nobel Prize in the physics in 1930. So these 3 awardees were the first recipient of Bharat Ratna. The second recipient of Bharat Ratna in 1955, Bhagwan Das, independence activist, philosopher and the educationalist and co-founder of Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth, worked with the Madan Mohan Malviya for the foundation of Banaras University. Second one is M. Vishweshwara, civil engineer, statesman and the Diwan of Mysore, was the Knight Commander of the Order of the Indian Empire. His birthday is on 15th September, is observed as the Engineer Day in India. In the same year, Jawaharlal Nehru was also given this Bharat Ratna award. He was the independence activist and the author. Nehru is the first and the longest serving Prime Minister of India from 1947 to 64. Now in Bharat Ratna in 1957, winner was Govind Ballabh Pant. He was the independence activist. Pant was a Premier of United Province and the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 1952-54. He served as a Union Home Minister from 1955 to 61. Bharat Ratna in 1958. Social reformer and educator, Karve is widely known for his work related to women education and remarriage of Hindu widows. He established the Widow Marriage Association in 1883, the Hindu Widows Home in 1896 and he started Srimati Nathibai Damodar Thackeray Women University in 1916. Now Bharat Ratna in 1961. Bidhan Chandra Roy, he was a physician, political leader, philanthropist, educationalist and social worker. Roy is often considered as a maker of modern West Bengal. He was the second Chief Minister of West Bengal from 1948 to 62 and his birthday on 1st of July is observed as the National Doctors Day in India. Next is Purushottam Das Tandon. He also won in the same year, often titled as the Raj Shri Tandon, was an independence activist and served as a Speaker of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly from 1937 to 50. He was actively involved in the campaign to get the official language status to Hindi. In 1962, Bharat Ratna awardee was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, independence activist, lawyer, statesman and a scholar. Prasad was closely associated with Mahatma Gandhi in the non-cooperation movement for the Indian independence. He was the later elected as the first President of India from 1950 to 1962. Now Bharat Ratna awardee in 1963, Zakir Hussain, an independence activist and education philosopher. Hussain served as a Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University from 1948 to 56 and the Governor of Bihar from 1957 to 62. Later, he was elected as the second Vice President of India from 1962 to 67 and went on to become the third President of India from 1967 to 69. In the same year, Pandurang Vaman Kane, he was an Indologist and Sanskrit scholar. Kane is best known for his 5-volume literary work, History of Dharmashastra, Ancient and Medieval Religious and Civil Law in India. The monumental work that extended over nearly 6,500 pages and been published from 1930 to 1962. So he was also the winner of Bharat Ratna. In 1966, Bharat Ratna awardee was Lal Bahadur Shastri, known for his slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kishan, Hail the soldiers, hail the farmer. Independence activist Shastri served as the second Prime Minister of India from 1964 to 66 and led the country during the Indo-Pakistani War in 1965. The next Bharat Ratna was given in 1971 and Indira Gandhi was the recipient. He was known as the Iron Lady of India. Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India during 1966 to 77 and 1980 to 84. During the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, her government supported Bangladesh Liberation War, which led to the formation of a new country, Bangladesh. The next Bharat Ratna was given in 1975 to V.V. Giri. While studying at the University of College Dublin, Giri was involved in the Irish Senin movement. Returning to India, he organized the labor union and brought them to take active participation in Indian freedom struggle. He was elected as the first president of All India Trade Union Congress in 1926. Post-independence, Giri held position of Governor of Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Mysore and various other cabinet ministers. He became the first acting president and was eventually elected as the fourth president of India in 1969 to 74. The next Bharat Ratna was given in 1976 to K. Kamaraj. He was an independence activist and statesman. Kamaraj was a former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for the three-year terms 1954 to 57, 1957 to 62 and 1962 to 63. The next Bharat Ratna was given in the year of 1980 to Mother Teresa. Sant Mother Teresa of Calcutta was the Catholic nun and the founder of the Missionaries of Charity. She was awarded the Nobel Prize for her humanitarian work in 1979 and was benefited on 19th of October 2003 by Pope John Paul II and canonized on the 4th September 2016 by Pope Francis. The next recipient of Bharat Ratna in 1983 was Vinoba Bhave. He was the independent activist, social reformer and a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi. Vinoba Bhave is best known for his Bhudan movement, land gift movement. He was given the honorific title Acharya and was awarded Raman Magsaysay Award for his humanitarian work in 1958. The next recipient of Bharat Ratna in 1987 was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He was widely known as Frontier Gandhi. He was an independence activist and personal leader. Khan was follower of Mahatma Gandhi. He joined Khilafat movement in 1920 and founded Khudai Khidmat Gar Red Shirt movement in 1929. In 1988, M.G. Ramchandran was another recipient of Bharat Ratna. He was an actor turned politician. Ramchandran served as a Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for 3 terms 1977 to 80, 1980 to 84 and 1985 to 87. So in 1990, the next recipient of Bharat Ratna was B.R. Ambedkar ji. Social reformer, a leader of Dalit untouchables. Ambedkar was the chief architect of Indian Constitution and also served as the first law minister of India. Ambedkar predominantly campaigned against the social discrimination with Dalit, the Hindu Varna system. He was associated with the Dalit Buddhist movement and accepted Buddhism as a religion along with his close to 500,000 followers on 14th of October in 1956. Next recipient of Bharat Ratna in 1990 was Nelson Mandela. He was the leader of an anti-apartheid movement in South Africa. Mandela was the president of South Africa in 1944 to 1999. Often called as the Gandhi of South Africa, Mandela African National Congress movement was influenced by Gandhian philosophy. In 1993, he was awarded the Nobel Prize. Next recipient of Bharat Ratna in 1991, Rajiv Gandhi. Gandhi was the 9th Prime Minister of India and serving from 1984 to 89. And another one is Vallabhbhai Patel. He was widely known as the Iron Man of India. Patel was the independent activist and first Deputy Prime Minister of India from 1947 to 50. Post-independence, Sardar Patel worked with the VP Menon towards resolving the 555 princely states into the Indian Union. In the same year, in 1991, another recipient of Bharat Ratna was Morarji Desai. Independence activist, Desai was the 6th Prime Minister of India from 1977 to 79. He is the only Indian national to be awarded the Nishan-e-Pakistan, highest civilian awarded given by the government of Pakistan. In 1992, the recipient of Bharat Ratna award was Abdul Kalam Azad. He was the independence activist. Azad was the first Indian Prime Minister of Education and worked towards the free primary education. He was widely known as the Maulana Azad and his birthday on 11th of November is observed as the National Education Day in India. In the same year, in 1992, another recipient of Bharat Ratna was J.R.D. Tata. He was an industrialist, philanthropist, aviation pioneer. Tata founded India's first airline, Air India. He is the founder of various institutes including Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Tata Memorial Hospital, Tata Institute of Social Science, Tata Motors, TCS, National Institute of Advanced Studies, and National Center for the Performing Arts. In the same year, in 1992, Satyajit Ray was another recipient of Bharat Ratna, having debuted as a director with the Panther Panchali. In 1955, the filmmaker Satyajit Ray is credited with bringing the world recognition to Indian cinema. In 1984, Satyajit Ray was awarded Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Indian highest award in the cinema. In 1997, the recipient of Bharat Ratna was Gulzari Lal Nanda. He was an independent activist. Nanda has 2 times interim Prime Minister of India 1964 and 1966 and 2 times Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission. Next is Aruna Asif Ali. She was independent activist. Ali is better known for hosting the Indian flag in Bombay during the Quit India movement in 1942. Post-independence, Ali was elected as the Delhi first mayor in 1958. In the same year, APJ Abdul Kalam was the recipient of Bharat Ratna. Aerospace defense scientist, Kalam was involved in the development of Indian first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 and was architect of Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. He worked for Indian National Committee for Space Research, Indian Space Research Organization, Defense Research and Development Laboratory, and was appointed as a scientific advisor to the Defense Minister, Secretary to the Department of Defense Research and Development, and Director General of Defense Research and Development Organization. Later, he served as the 11th President of India from 2002 till 2007. In 1998, the recipient of Bharat Ratna was M.S. Subbulakshmi. She was a kinetic classical vocalist. Subbulakshmi, often hailed as a queen of songs, is the first Indian musician to receive the Raman Magsaysay Award. In the same year, Chidambaram Subramaniam, he was another recipient of Bharat Ratna. He was an independence activist, former Prime Minister of Agriculture of India from 1964 to 66. Subramaniam is known for his contribution towards the Green Revolution in India. During the late 1970s, he worked for the International Rice Research Institute, Manila, and the International Maize and Wheat Research Institute, Mexico. In 1999, Bharat Ratna recipient was Jai Prakash Narayan, independence activist, social reformer, and commonly referred as a Lok Nayak, people hero. Narayan is better known for Total Revolution Movement or JP Movement, initiated during the mid-1970s to overthrow the corrupt and exploitative Congress government. In the same year, another recipient of Bharat Ratna was Amartya Sen. He was the winner of Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science in 1998. Sen has done research over the several topics including the social choice theory, ethics and political philosophy, welfare economics, decision theory, development economics, public health and gender studies. Another one is the recipient of Bharat Ratna was Gopinath Bordoloi. He was an independent activist. Bordoloi is the first Chief Minister of Assam in 1946 to 50. His effort and association with then Minister of the Home Affairs Vallabhbhai Patel were widely acknowledged while keeping the Assam united with India when parts of it were merged to the East Pakistan. In the same year, Ravi Shankar also was the recipient of Bharat Ratna. He was a winner of 4 Grammy Awards and often considered as the world's best known exponent of Hindustani classical music. Sitar player Shankar is known for his collaborative work with the Western musicians including Yehudi Menuhin and George Harrison. In 2001, the recipient of Bharat Ratna were Lata Mangeshkar. She was widely credited as a Nightingale of India. Playback singer Lata Mangeshkar started her career in 1940 as sung songs in over 36 languages. In 1989, Lata Mangeshkar was awarded Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Indian highest award in cinema. Another one the same year in 2001, recipient was Bismillah Khan. He was a Hindustani classical Shehnai player. Khan played the instrument for more than 8 decades and is credited to have brought the instrument to the center stage of Indian music. Bharat Ratna in 2009 recipient was Bhim Sen Joshi. He was a Hindustani classical vocalist. Joshi was disciple of Kirana Gharana, an Indian musical school. He is widely known for Khayal genre of singing with a mastery over rhythm and accurate notes. Now we came to 2014. The recipient of Bharat Ratna in 2014 was C.N.R. Rao. The recipient of honorary doctorates from 63 universities including Purdue, IIT Bombay, Oxford, chemist and Professor Rao has worked prominently in the field of solid state and material, chemistry, spectroscopy and molecular structure. He has authored around 1600 research papers and 48 books. In the same year, 2014, the recipient of Bharat Ratna was Sachin Tendulkar. He played 664 international cricket matches in a career of spanning over 2 decades. He holds various cricket records, including the only player to have scored 100 international centuries, the first batsman to score a double century in one day international, and only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in both ODI and Test crickets. In the year of 2015, the Bharat Ratna recipient was Madan Mohan Malviya. He was a scholar and educational reformer. Malviya is the founder of Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha in 1906 and Banaras University, and served as a university vice chancellor from 1919 till 1938. He was the president of Indian National Congress for 4 terms and was the chairman of Hindustan Times from 1924 to 1946. He received this Bharat Ratna after posthumous. In the same year, in 2015, another recipient of Bharat Ratna was Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Parliamentarian for over 4 decades, Vajpayee was elected 9 times to the Lok Sabha, twice to the Rajya Sabha, and served as the Prime Minister of India for 3 terms, 1996, 1998 and 1999 to 2004. He was the Minister of External Affairs during 1977 to 79 and was awarded the Best Parliamentarian in 1994. Now at last, Bharat Ratna in 2019. Awardee was Pranab Mukherjee. He is an Indian politician who served as the 13th President of India from 2012 to 2017. He has been a senior leader in the Indian National Congress, has occupied several ministerial portfolios in the Government of India. Prior to this election as a President, he was the Union Finance Minister from 2009 to 2012. In 2019, another recipient of Bharat Ratna was Nanaji Deshmukh. He was social activist from India. He worked in the field of education, health and rural self-reliance. He was the member of RSS, a leader of Bharatiya Janata Sangh, and also member of Rajya Sabha. He was honored with the Padma Vibhushan in 1999. India's first Saraswati Shishu Mandir was established by him at Gorakhpur in 1950. Another recipient in 2019 was Bhupen Hazarika. He was an Indian playback singer, lyricist, musician, singer, poet and filmmaker from Assam, widely known as Sudha Kanta. Before he got a Bharat Ratna, he received National Film Award for Best Music Direction in 1975, recipient of Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 1987, Padma Shri 1977, Padma Bhushan 2001, and also awarded with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 1992. So that's all in this section, students. We hope to bring more and more new stuffs in the coming days, so that will be helpful for your preparation in your examination. So please subscribe our channel and please share. And also, if you have any queries, any doubts regarding any subject, you can please write to us so that we will solve it as soon as possible. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and keep on working, keep on studying. All the best.